When you see any successful person, you have to start fighting them, castigating them. Whether the person is bad, the person is very bad, he's a wicked person, but he's successful. Before you even open your mouth, you want to find out what did they know. Like Pastor Biome will say, there's nobody that is at the top that is not spiritual. It's either spiritual negative or spiritual positive. There's no sitting on the fence. By the way, for those of you that were not here when I was doing the introduction, what I'm about to teach you now is how to translate what Mr. Chima has taught you into money. Let me say it again. How to translate what Mr. Chima has taught you into money. It's as simple as I said it. All my principles are simple. All the things I talk about, they are simple. I've told you before, for those of you that have been listening to me for a long time, it's simple. Life is, you are just the one making it hard. There's what we call, there's what you do, and there's the business of what you do. Let me say it again. There has been a graphic artist. Is it graphic artist or graphic designer, Chima?
There's a graphic designer, there's a creative.
Give me one, just give me one. Okay, there's a creative artist and there's a business of creative artists. The person that is in the business part is the boss. You that know the creative and know everything, I'm not saying that to insult anybody. Okay?